Hi, this is Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2018 LDV D90, stock number 7034. It's ran from 11th 2017 to the 4th 2024. It's a SV9A 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo-petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a SV9A 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo-petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory American tyre. Left front guard, less flare. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory American tyre. Rear tailgate 2 dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory American tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front 19-inch factory American tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,